A Texas-based midstream operator was preparing to launch a 600-mile crude oil pipeline connecting the Permian Basin to the Gulf Coast. But before the oil could flow, they encountered a persistent and expensive problem that threatened their operations. Frequent mechanical seal failures in their BB1 centrifugal pumps were causing unexpected downtime, costly delays, and rising maintenance expenses. Each failure meant the pipeline had to pause, impacting both productivity and the bottom line. To get to the root of the issue, John Crane engineers stepped in with our Performance Plus modular service framework. They conducted a thorough condition analysis across 36 pumps. The findings were clear. Axial shuttling and contaminants were damaging the seals, leading to repeated failures. The answer was a retrofit using the Type 8648 VRS mechanical seal, specifically engineered for demanding crude oil applications. With minimal modifications and no need for pump redesigns, these seals were installed directly into the existing pump configurations, streamlining the upgrade process and minimizing disruption. The impact was immediate and impressive. Over 3 years of continuous operation, there were 0 seal failures. Maintenance and repair costs dropped by more than $300,000 annually, proving the effectiveness of the Type 8648 VRS solution. Encouraged by these results, the operator standardized the Type 8648 VRS mechanical seal across their entire pipeline network. Want to see how it was done? Download the full case study and discover the journey to extended reliability and significant cost savings.